Welcome to the Crypto Lab channel. In this video I will talk about Solana price prediction and Solana news today. If you like the video, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Write in the comments your price forecast for Solana in 2022. Solana is a highly functional open source project that relies on the free nature of blockchain technology to create decentralized finance (DeFi) solutions. The idea and initial work on the project began in 2017. Solana was officially launched in March 2020 by the Solana Foundation, headquartered in Geneva, Switzerland. Thanks to its innovative hybrid consensus model, Solana is of interest to both small traders and institutional investors. The focus of the Solana Foundation is to make decentralized finance available on a larger scale. Anatoly Yakovenko is the face of the Solana project. His professional career began at Qualcomm, where he quickly rose through the ranks to become senior engineering manager in 2015. Later, his professional path changed, and Yakovenko moved to the position of a programmer at Dropbox. In 2017, Yakovenko began work on a project that would later come to life as Solana. He teamed up with his Qualcomm colleague Greg Fitzgerald, and they founded a project called Solana Labs. With the involvement of several more former Qualcomm colleagues in the process, the Solana protocol and the SOL token went public in 2020. So let's start with the most important news of the past days about Solana. Solana to replace Ethereum in blockchain gaming, Paradox Studios founder says. Compared to Ethereum's Solidity language, when developing play-to-earn (P2E) games, the ease of use of Solana's building language Rust will give Solana a competitive edge, according to Amy Otelio, the founder of UK-based animation and game development platform Paradox Studios. But blockchain gaming continuously accelerating the metaverse narrative, Amy Otelio believes that the huge funding that Solana is offering developers is intended to woo them from the Ethereum network, and it is starting to take shape. He pointed out, Solana will leave Ethereum in the dust this year when it comes to gaming. They now have a huge list of games looking to launch this year on Solana, which will take them into the lead position in this area, in my opinion. Solana has already rolled out $400 million to enhance Web3 gaming in the last 6 months. Amy Otelio noted that he made these observations after meeting various specialists who disclosed the simplicity of Rust. He added, when you realize every product or service is made by or provided by a business, you must realize the main goal of a business is to make money and maximize profit. So with low costs and high transaction speed, and massive funding for gaming developers, the growth is going parabolic. The blockchain gaming sector continues to gain steam, given that it attracted investments worth $1.1 billion in January, according to a recent Blockchain Game Alliance and DappRadar report. Virtual worlds, decentralized applications, dApps, and could yet experience a trend reversal in the coming days. SOL's Moving Average Convergence Divergence (MACD) indicator is showing an upward expansion, suggesting a continued bullish run for the cryptocurrency. Additionally, Solana's current bias is also decidedly bullish. Solana's bullish performance has been buoyed by a marked rise in demand for non-fungible tokens, NFTs, on the platform. This rise in demand has in turn been spurred by news that OpenSea, the industry-leading marketplace for NFTs, is set to integrate the Solana blockchain into its platform sometime in April. The announcement for the integration was made in a 16-second teaser video posted on OpenSea's official Twitter handle. The tweet was then quote-tweeted by OpenSea's head of blockchain, Adam Montgomery. Less than 24 hours later, the original tweet had been viewed more than 500,000 times, retweeted nearly 9,000 times, and liked by more than 20,000 crypto enthusiasts. OpenSea to give Magic Eden a run for its money when the integration happens. Solana will become the fourth network to have its NFTs traded on OpenSea. Currently, Polygon, Ethereum, and Platin are the only blockchains whose NFTs are trading on OpenSea. The biggest marketplace for Solana NFTs is Magic Eden. It remains to be seen whether its 2% transaction fee, which is 50 basis points lower than OpenSea's, will keep users on Magic Eden. Solana's inclusion into the OpenSea platform could help OpenSea regain its dominance of the NFT market, which was being eroded by a new entrant, LooksRare. Since its inception, LooksRare has registered over 55,000 new users and recorded over $21 billion in trading volume. In comparison, OpenSea recorded just over $12 billion in trading volume over the same period, despite registering more new users than LooksRare. For sale in Austria, Belgium, Denmark, Finland, France, Germany, Italy, Ireland, Luxembourg, Netherlands, Norway, Poland, Spain, Sweden, and Switzerland. The new ETPs follow the growing crypto asset product offering by WisdomTree in Europe, joining products like WisdomTree Crypto Mega Cap Equal Weight ETP, which is backed by physical assets including Bitcoin, BTC, and Ether, ETH, as well as WisdomTree Crypto Market, Block, and WisdomTree Crypto Altcoins, WALT. WisdomTree's head of Europe Alexis Marinov said that the new offering aims to meet the growing demand from institutional investors to diversify their crypto portfolio, stating, While Bitcoin and Ethereum grabbed the headlines, altcoins are now viable options for many institutional investors, providing more options to diversify their crypto holdings, just like they would with any other asset class. Related, SEC could approve spot Bitcoin ETFs as early as 2023. Bloomberg analysts, as previously reported by Cointelegraph, WisdomTree has been actively launching ETPs in Europe amid regulatory hurdles in the United States. In late 2021, the U.S. Securities and Exchange Commission rejected WisdomTree's spot Bitcoin ETF after delaying a decision on the product multiple times. The firm subsequently amended its spot BTC ETF filing, naming U.S. Bank as a custodian for its BTC trust. And second news today about institutional crypto funds. See largest capital inflows for 3 months. The data from CoinShares shows a weekly inflow of $193 million, with more than half of that figure going to Bitcoin alone. Solana is also getting attention and broke a record in the process. CoinShares data revealed on Tuesday that institutional investments into cryptocurrencies are at the highest levels in 3 months, a sharp rise from the previous week, which saw outflows of $47 million. If you are looking for Solana price prediction for 2022, 2025 and 2030, then you have come to the right place. We will share some of the most anticipated questions that seriously require attention and accurate answers. SOL rate prediction 2022. SOL will be seen as the best option, and with a huge community, the Solana rate will reach new highs. Price swings are hard to predict, especially if the market is more bullish or bearish than ever. For the year 2022, the Solana rate will be almost $122.19. The maximum bet we can get is $142.07. Solana average price prediction for the end of 2022 could be around $125.72. A huge price turnover is expected in the range determined by the cryptocurrency market. SOL price prediction 2023. There are signs that the cryptocurrency market is entering a new era. We are sure that the long-term price forecast for SOL will rise, as there is still optimism that the currency will attract much more attention. The year 2023 could end with an average bid of $182.67 and a minimum bid of $177.65. The maximum bid is expected to be around $211.87. SOL price forecast 2024. For a long-term forecast of the Solana price, basic analysis is important. In terms of industry benefits, the native token offers several. The autonomy of the digital economy makes it ideal. As dApp and stablecoins evolve, the network offers competitive programmable payment, logistics, and storage options. There is a possibility that the average price of SOL will rise to around $262.85 by 2024 if the idea attracts more investors. For 2024, the year could end with a maximum price of $312.30 with a minimum price $255.55 level. Solana price prediction 2025. In 2025, with wider adoption and partnerships among other important blockchain networks, the price of Solana will skyrocket, with a maximum trading price of $446.11 in 2025. The price ranges will be very trendy if we stick to them. If all goes well, we can expect an average price of $381.94 with a maximum price of $446.11 for 2025. SOL rate prediction 2026. The value of Solana will rise, thanks to the efforts of network developers and community investors. Therefore, the settlement price for the year 2026 is bullish. SOL is expected to top out at $641.51 by the end of 2026, according to analysts.